I would like you to hold your hand up in front of your face for a moment. I want you to look at it. Now I want you to think of this. There's about 11 million kilowatt hours of potential energy locked up in the electrons in the atoms of your body. 11 million kilowatt hours per pound. Potential energy locked up in the electrons in the atoms of your body. And at times you catch yourself saying, I just don't have any energy. Do you know that you are an energy source? All the energy in the universe is 100% evenly present in all places at the same time. It's our responsibility as human beings to release that energy and direct it towards something very constructive and creative. Now ask yourself this, if you could do or be anything you wanted, what would it be? Totally relax and let that picture fill your mind. And rather than reject it, write it out. Take a pen, sit down, and actually make a picture of it in words. Because whatever you write, you're capable of doing. I believe you have to be doing what you really want. And I think wants come right from our heart. I don't think we really decide on them. I think we accept them. I see us as spiritual beings, and I think spirit's always for expansion and fuller expression. There's something in us that wants us to grow. And that's wants keep coming into our mind. When I was a little boy, my grandmother told me, she pretty well raised us, that we should be satisfied with what we've got. I think Grandma was wrong. I think we should be happy with what we've got, but I don't think we should ever be satisfied. I think dissatisfaction is a creative state. And so spirit keeps hitting us in the consciousness, want this, want that. If you're running, you want to run faster. If you're fighting, you want to be a better fighter. If you're dancing, you want to be a better dancer, and so on. Well, it's only when we're going after what we want that I think we're bringing the best to the party. And unfortunately, I think too many people deny that. They don't go after what they want. They settle for what they think they can do. And I think that's one of the tragedies of life, and one of the blessings of life is that you can have what you want. Go out and do something with your life. Make something out of it. Because life is short, boom, and then it's all over. You have an obligation to yourself to find out exactly what you're capable of doing. And don't let the fact that you have problems slow you down. Everybody's got problems. The trick is overcome the problems and then keep on going. You're capable of doing anything you can dream. Now, not many people can back that up. I can back it up. I teach people how to execute the dreams. I know you can. So I'm not telling you something that I've written in a book or heard in or read in a book. I'm telling you something I'm experiencing in my life, and you're quite capable of experiencing in your life.
Bob, I truly enjoyed your speech, and it primarily talks about belief.
Yeah.
It's all about believing in yourself, correct?
It really is. No question about it. That's why there's so many people, they work hard, they're trying, but they don't really believe.
All right.
And I studied that for a long time. Every religious book, every psychology book, they all say you have to believe. And I was trying to figure out, how do you believe? And it wasn't until I was sitting down with a mentor of mine. He said, our belief system is based upon our evaluation of something. Frequently, if you reevaluate a situation, your belief about it will change. I was trying to figure out why my life had changed so dramatically.
Right.
And that was why, because I kept reevaluating, I kept studying me, I kept studying all this material. And what I didn't realize, I was changing my belief about what I could do. Really think. Thinking is the highest function you're capable of. Focus. Do you know what you're doing? You're taking an energy that flows to and through you, and you're giving it more power, because that's what focus does. Focus increases amplitude of vibration. You're sending a powerful charge of energy from your mind. And if you doubt this, think of the time you felt somebody staring at you. Feeling is conscious awareness of vibration. You felt their energy. Well, go out and let the world feel yours. Find out what you're worth. You will be so glad you did. I was 85 a little while ago, and you know something? I got as much energy as a person 25. because I've got a goal, I've got a dream, and I'm working on my dream, and I'm going to execute it. And you can do exactly the same thing. So don't sit back. Get a pen, sit down, and paint your dream in words, and then go and execute it. You'll be so glad you did. I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of good information up here, and it causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put a new video up, hit subscribe and then turn on notifications. Check out all our videos, and we will notify you when we put a new one up.